Well,
Is there a rule for things?
practicality
Because if it
wise,
exists, there has to be a 10-hour version of it, right? What is that rule? Like 39? The monkey.
Gorp. Puff.
I've never seen this spawn naturally. What did this come from?
This is the super green crank.
Yeah, I have no idea. This is a... Wait, Miss, did you split this session from a different session with the... Miss, how could you? You're mean. You're so mean. You're so... I'm gonna send you all the heifer pictures. You'll never know when it ends. All of them.
Oh no.
All the spider ones too. How dare you?
Stu, please.
Well, you know...
Look what you did.
Oh, nice. Nice, nice. You did the outfit. That's brilliant. Well done. Looks swell. But yeah, where did this monkey come from? Probably from the session Miss stole it from.
Sweet made this session, thank you.
Yeah, but you're top ho, so you get responsibility.
Okay, that's fair.
It is fair.
Mod thing and maybe override it.
Whoa.
And then all the horses will be cows.
Hey, Eva, you know the monkey we found? I just found 3 more.
You should try that and let me know how it goes, because I kind of want to know. That sounds like it would be funny.
I was thinking of putting the penguin mod so I can...
I think you did, yeah.
Kill the penguins.
Jesus, sweet. Put your monkeys away, man.
Penguins that run. You forced yourself into a solo session.
So, okay, so Eva found a monkey, asked me if I saw it too, I did, and now I'm in the middle of the road where I see 3.
There's 3 monkeys?
3 dead monkeys. Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, what Eva says. That's a bit more correct, but yeah. Alright, I'll stay here. I'll guard the monkeys? Oh no. Oh god! Ow. My face. Oh my god, this one just moved.
I don't know what I just tripped on.
I did, Eva. No worries. I taught it the ways of baseball and it fucking died.
Baseball. Man hit the ball with stick.
Ah, cops are angry at me for hitting the monkey.
What can I do for you?
I didn't know it was illegal to spank monkeys. God.